Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI Schools. Our mission today, solving two-step equations. And our objective is to solve two-step equation in one variable. Okay? Okay. Let us start. I will take this example and show you how we can solve this equation. As we learned, I will write the equation here. It is 2x plus 3 equal 5. I told my student to solve any equation in the world, linear equation, you have to determine the left side and the right side. This is the first step. The second step, you move to the side that have the variable. Okay, and in this example 2x plus 3, the left side, and see what operation you have here. Actually you have a plus and hidden multiplication. Yes, here you have two operations. Okay, and every time you are looking for the operation and you make you find the inverse of this operation. But teacher, in this example we have two operations. Which one I have to start and take the inverse of the operation? All of time you have to start with the plus or minus before the multiply and division to solve any equation. So teacher, I have to start from here. Yes. What is the inverse of multiplication? It is subtraction. So subtract. Okay, so we will subtract this from this side, -3, and what we do in the left we have to do in the right. Okay, when I did this, I eliminate this part of the equation and make the 2 multiply x coming down. Okay, 2x coming down, and in the right side 5 minus 3 equal 2. Now I have this equation. Split or determine the left and the right. Okay, and go to the side that have the variable. What you have here, yes, as we said, we have multiply. What is the inverse of multiply? It is a division. So divide by 2 here and divide by 2 here. Okay, so the x from this side, the x coming down alone equal 2 divided 2 equal 1. So the solution is x equal 1. Okay, my dear student. Okay, now if I make or move to solve some equation, okay, from the practice and problem solving exercise, okay, you will see a different forms of equations. Okay, and don't scare my boy. All the equation you have to do the same steps, whatever you have. For example, let us take number 11 here. It is 2 plus a over 4 equal -1. I will, yes, zoom in here, and as we learned, we determine the left side. My boy, my advice to you, you have to work step by step. Don't be in hurry. Okay, so determine the left and the right. Okay, move to the side that have the variable or the letter and check what is the operation that you have here. Actually, you have two operations here. You have a plus and division. From where the division, teacher? It is from a over 4. a over 4, a over 4, it is actually a divided by 4. So now, teacher, I'm confused. I will make the inverse of plus or the inverse of division. I said all of time take the inverse of a plus or minus before take the inverse of multiply and division. I don't understand, teacher. Okay, if you reach to this step, go and make the inverse of a plus directly. Don't look to the division or the multiplication. Okay, I give him minus. Minus 2 or minus 4? No, minus 2. Okay, okay, yes. What you do in the left, you have to do in the right. This is the first step. You have to eliminate the number that added or subtracted all of time. Then you eliminate the number that multiplied or divided by. Okay, my boys, don't confuse. So from here, after I did this step, I cancel this part. I canceled this part. Okay, my dear student. Okay. Now, from this side, I said again, the a over 4 come alone, and what you get here, I get -1, -2. The grocery want from me 1 real, and another grocery want from me 2 real. So the answer will be -3 real or 3 real for the grocery. Now I have a new equation here. The equation that need one step to solve. Again, determine left, determine right, and what you have in the, you move to the side which have the variable. What you have operation here, it is division, the opposite is multiplication, so multiply by 4 and multiply by 4. If I multiply here by 4, I eliminate the 4, the a coming down alone and waiting what happened here. -3 multiply 4, which is -12. Let us take one more example. One more, okay? It is let us take number 15, 4b plus 6 equal -2. This is question number 15, by the way. So left and right, easy step. Move here. Okay, we have plus and multiply, yes. I take the inverse of the plus, yes. Okay, the inverse of the plus, it is negative, yes. Good. Let me erase this. It will confuse you, I know. So which operation we have in this side, my boys? Yes, we have a plus and multiply. So to solve this equation, we have to begin with the plus, okay, or addition sign. The opposite of the plus is negative. Negative what? -6. So from this step, I eliminate this and let the 4b coming down. Now what we do in the left, we have to do in the right, yes. It is -6 you can deal with the integers. Yes, integers number or integer numbers. -2 and -6, it is -8. Now I have a new equation, left again and right again, and we have here multiply. What is the opposite of multiply? It is divide by 4, divide by 4. From here I get B, okay, and from here I get 8 divided 4 equal 2, and the negative sign coming down, so -2. Okay, my dear students, so B equal -2 is the solution of this equation. Thank you.